Hello everybody! Remember these needles? Guess what? We're going to need them again today, as we'll be making quilling typography. And since it is the first time, I will make a quick and easy letter. We'll need the needles because we will pin our letter on the foam board, and I will use some leftover shapes that I have lying around here, like circle loopings, bent circle teardrops, eccentric teardrops, circle coils, swirls, and so on. You already know all these, or if you don't, I will add a card on the screen with the most used quilling shapes, and I will also put a link in the description of the video. I have here my previous sheet of paper on which the triangles were drawn, on which I also drew a Q letter, and I will pin down the paper on the foam board. I will also need other instruments, tweezers and the quilling needle. Maybe they will come in handy, so let's get started. For this one I did not have an exact design in my mind. I thought I will just choose a bunch of shapes already made a while ago and build from there. Maybe I will have good inspiration. I also did not mix many colors, only a few, because I don't want my project to be super busy. I use the needles to keep the shapes in place when needed, until they dry. The smaller the shapes are, the more difficult it is to work with them, so you need some patience and a steady hand to get the job done beautifully. When everything was done, I waited for the whole thing to be well dried before I removed it off the paper. I will put my letter in a beautiful white frame, so I will use black background to glue my letter on. Since I have bright colors anyway, it will be a nice contrast and I really like the look. And that's it. Hope you like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Being the first letter I made, I want it to be something quick and easily doable, so any of you can create your own version without much effort. If you want to create a specific pattern or use specific shapes, you can quill whatever you want, then put everything inside some borders and pin them until they are dried. Again, be careful with the amount of glue you use. I previously drew my letter from a picture on the internet, putting the sheet of paper on my laptop screen and drawing the outside lines. Close the lights from the room when you do this, and the borders will be much more visible on the screen and under the paper this way. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care!